This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's Base Spice Rack Cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. Begin with the drawer face front down on your workstation and attach an adhesive corner pad to the inside of each face corner, then put aside. Place one of the base sides on your workstation, slotted edge furthest from you, and notched corner to the lower right. Take the drawer glides and remove the glides from the glide mounts, then position the mounts on the side at the pre-marked points. Secure in place with a drill and prepackaged screws, and ensure the tracks glide smoothly in place. When finished, set this piece aside. Now place the other base side in front of you, positioned the same as before, and repeat the process to fix the glide mounts to this side. Once complete, set this piece aside. Retrieve the drawer face and position it front down and horizontal on your workstation. Take one of the rack sides and place it on the drawer face, slotted side faced in and to the right, and aligned with the rightmost slot in the middle of the face. Secure these pieces with the nail gun. Repeat this process with the remaining rack sides on both sides of the drawer face. Always ensure the slot on the rack side aligns with one of the slots on the drawer face. Next, slide the rack shelf bottoms into the rack side slots and push flush with the slots in the drawer face. Then, take the backing and fit into place on the rack shelves, ensuring it fits flush with the rest of the constructed drawer. Use a nail gun to secure the backing to each of the rack sides. Lay the constructed spice rack drawer on its side and fit drywall screws into the pre-drilled holes where the sides meet the face as well as where the sides meet the backing. Secure all of these with a drill to reinforce the spice rack drawer. Next, align the glide track glides to the sides of the top and bottom shelves, then secure with a drill and prepackaged screws. When complete, flip the rack on your workstation and use the drywall screws to reinforce these sides to the face and backing as before, and again attach the glides as just completed. Then set the constructed spice rack drawer aside. Place one of the base sides on your workstation, slotted edge closest to you and notched corner to the upper right. Fix the base bottom to the side's far right end with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes just below the glide mount. Next, take the base backing and slide it into the side slot and push it flush with the base bottom. Then secure where the bottom and backing meet with a nail gun. Now, turn the unit and align one of the corner brackets to join the top of the side and the backing. Secure this in place with a drill and prepackaged screws. Attach the bridge beam to the top of the side, opposite the backing, with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Now turn the unit so the backing is closest to you and retrieve the other base side. Place this on top of the constructed unit and fit into place with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Gently tap with a rubber mallet to ensure this side is flush with the rest of the unit. Use a nail gun to secure it to the bottom, backing, and bridge board, then flip the unit so the opposite side faces up and repeat the process to secure this side. Position the other corner bracket to reinforce the alternate top corner where the backing and side meet and secure in place with a drill and prepackaged screws. Now, turn the unit upright and pull the track mounts out in order to fit the spice rack drawer glides in place. For this first fitting, you may have to open and close the drawer repeatedly to get the glides set in their mounts. Finally, test that the spice rack drawer closes smoothly and flush with the rest of the unit. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry Base Spice Rack Cabinet is ready to install.